Hi, good morning! Yan, nakapagsuklay na ako guys ha, pero hindi ako nakapaghilamos. Hi, Mingming! Good morning! Hi! Sunod-sunod yan siya sa akin guys. Mga pandol, kita ni mo ba? Meron din palang package na dumating today. Sabay-sabay nating bubuksan. Ito yung mga famous coffee daw sa Washington. Pinadala sa akin ng aking good friend na si Ara at Bebong. Thank you so much. Oh, tatlo! That's a lot. With big coffee, ground, no coffee bean. Great coffee for great people. Ayan, Ara and Bebong. Thank you very much sa package. Ayan, so dalawang ganito.
Looks very nice. Can't wait to try.
Maybe you can try this. Thank you so much, Ara and Beverly. I will try it right now. Want some coffee, my love? Are you ready to go out?
Soon you can go out.
Oh, I miss you. I know. We both love you. We both love you. You're our babies. Oh. Guys, naglilista na kami ngayon ng i-grocery natin dahil tomorrow may in-invite ako dito sa bahay, mga kaibigan ko. At pupunta sila dito mag-harvest sila ng avocado, starfruits. Ipapaubos ko na yung starfruits guys kasi nangalata na. So tomorrow, we're planning to cook yung paborito na niluluto palagi ng aking ninang, ribs, pork ribs. Tapos, ang gagawin is lalagyan siya ng fry. Ayan, tapos actually, papakuluan muna yung pork ribs and then pag lumambot na siya, ikukutan siya ng crisper fry, tapos i-deep fry niya. And then, yung paborito naman ng aking Ate Lucy na talong, i-grill siya and then lagyan siya ng miso paste. Ayan. So, talong. Then, magluluto si Jan, o magbe-bake si Jan na in-demand talaga ito sa mga kaibigan ko, guys, ang coffee cake. Thank you so much kay Ara and kay Beverly sa napakasarap na coffee from Washington. This is my new favorite. Ang sarap niya. Nagsiset up na kami ngayon guys ng table. Ito yung long table natin. Ayan. Pag kami lang ni John, 2-seaters lang ginagawa namin or 4-seaters kasi depende kasi pag minsan nagluluto si John maraming pagkain. So, gano. Ganda, di ba? Collapsible table. Yeah, there. All the food is here. Here, and then they will sit here. When are we buying a bigger house?
I don't know. Why do we need a bigger house?
If you win a luto, which is wala kay taya-taya.
Oh, no.
So, ayun guys, ang ganap natin. Tomorrow na yan. Kulang ng dalawa yung upuan natin guys. Buti na lang. Mayroon tayong mga nakukuha na tinapon ng ating mga kapitbahay sa kalsada. O magagamit din natin siya. Para lang may kasalan guys, no? Dito yung mga sponsor. Dito yung mga mga tawag dito, mga ninong at ninang. Dito sila upo. Talabas na natin itong mga nakatago na ano ni Lola. Nakatago na plato ni Lola. Make it 15 kasi alam mo naman baka sumobra sila guys ba. Baka ang 8 maging 15. So gagawa na rin pala ako guys ng homemade iced tea. Gawin ko Lipton iced tea ang gagawin natin. Maganda yung homemade iced tea guys.
It's still sugarless.
For my lunch guys, ito lang yung kakainin ko. Chicken cheddar bratwurst. And then lalagyan ko ng konting oil. Pag namala na ito, lalagyan ko siya ng olive oil.
That's pretty good.
Lagyan ko siya ng konting oil there. Kain tayo! Hi guys! Okay, good afternoon everyone! Init! Grocery time! 4 na stores ang pupuntahan natin ngayon. Busy lang ang linya ni Johannes andyan guys dahil tomorrow mayroon tayong mga bisita na inimbitahan dito sa bahay. We're going to Aldi We're going to Winn-Dixie, we're going to Asian store, Home Depot dahil bibili tayo ng mulch. Tapos pupunta kaming Asian store para sa okra, eggplant, mga fresh kasi at malalaki yung kanilang okra doon at eggplant. At saka iba talaga yung gulay sa Asian store, guys. Yung okra kasi, usually pag namimili kami ng okra, no, maraming itim-itim. Kung hindi naman itim-itim, sobrang tigas, gulang na. Doon talaga sa Asian store na pinupuntahan namin, ano talaga siya, guys, perfect. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Home Depot. How much is this worth?
$3,298.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Grabe, $3,000. Nasa almost 200,000 pesos. This one.
I'll wait till we find one on the street.
This one is LG options.
It is pretty big.
Done with our first stop. Next tayo dear is Asian store. And then, oh, tignan nyo ang okra nila, guys. Very different. Ayan. Very fresh.
Here?
Yeah, green onion. And then,
how many? 2?
Maybe 2, yep. Perfect. Ano kaya ang bibilhin ko dito? Tingin ako ng mga masisima-sima ko. Ano to? Mukhang masarap. May seaweed. Let's go. Ayan, yun lang. Ang bilis na namin dito sa second stop natin. Sobrang bilis lang namin dito sa Asian store. Next stop natin would be Aldi. Next is Aldi. Hi guys, 2:31 in the afternoon and still shopping. Dito tayo ngayon sa Aldi. Okay. Yeah, another one's good.
Sausage. Try another one with spinach and feta.
Okay, try the spinach and feta. It's only $2.99. I think it's on sale.
It's less wasteful.
Less wasteful.
Never finish the bottom.
O buti na lang wala pang nakapark dito sa kabila, darling. Okay. Ayan, ibabalik lang ni Jan yung ating cart. Kasi sayang din yung 1/4, guys. Oh, grabe. Last stop natin is Winn-Dixie.
They did with other little tiny carts.
Drinks and do we need ice?
Yeah. Be on the safe side.
Safe side. Do we need plastic cups? Just for fun? Because if there's kids? Yeah. Oh, you want that?
No, you want that.
No, lemon lime. Guys, ito yung mga nakuha natin sa basurahan. $5.89. Oh, ito na guys. Ito na. Oh. Binibilisan namin kasi baka lalabas yung pusa ba. Hindi pa kasi niya tayong lalabas. Bukas pa namin siya papalabasin. Yan. You got it?
Got it.
Okay. We'll just arrange the ref.
Arrange the
May mga beer na pala si John dito. For our soda, ganyan lang yan siya. The technique for the soda is like that. You have to push. Push and push. Ayun siya guys. Push. That's the technique. How you put the soda. Good. And then we're good with the soda. We need the water also, darling. The small water.
There's waters outside. Nobody likes it cold, do they? Huh?
The water?
Yeah.
Maybe they like it cold.
I don't think so. Nobody likes lukewarm water.
Ay, we didn't buy the plastic cups.
You didn't get the cups, didn't get the ice.
Ah! May sparkling water din kasi tayo dito, guys. Nagawa lang si Jan ng homemade Caesar salad dressing.
Let's start with half a lemon, couple cloves of garlic. I don't know, tablespoon. I went to look to see if I had any anchovies open. So far I've got lemon, anchovies, Worcestershire, red wine vinegar.
This is Dr. Dooley from
Hi,
the canal.
hi, Dr. Dooley. Yes, sir.
Hey, how's our munchkin doing? How's Midnight feeling?
He's doing pretty good.
Good, good. Are we still having a little blood in the urine, or is it almost gone?
No, there's a little bit left. It's
Right.
it's still kind of pinkish.
Good, good. Hopefully that'll continue to improve. I monitor the phone through the week, and you have any issues, shoot me a text, okay?
Okay.
My cell phone number is on the after hours message, so you can shoot me a text, all right?
All right, super. Thank you, Dr. Dooley. Better be careful not to start it while the top's off, because that'll be a whole nother show.
And merienda time tayo. Ang sarap nitong lace na nabili ko. With nori. See? What happened to our bed na? Dumating na ang pinakaayaw naming mangyari. Where are you? Hindi talaga sila nangihi dito, oh. Dito talaga sila sa bed nangihi. Noo ko. Buti na lang may ganito tayo. Sa lahat ng pwede nilang ihian, dito talaga sila iihi sa Katri. May bisita ako, OFW. Oh, may mga dala siya, guys. From Philippines.
This is decaf.
Decaf espresso.
Ay, where is the decaf here, darling? Nakalagay, decaffeinated. Ganito yan siya, pagka aalis yan siya, dinadala niya dito ang mga pagkain niya. Last time, binigyan niya kami ng mga Wagyu beef, mga lahat ng mga karne nila sa kanilang bahay. Binibigay niya dito.
I was buying this for the boss, but not that. Eat it?
No, you need
Mix, water.
Here's
Yan. Bigay sa akin to guys eh. Ang lalaki naman ng kinakain nito.
But it's good for your brain too. For your brain for coffee time.
Yes, I have something for you.
Goodness.
Haha. Pilipina.
Oh.
they look yummy. This is a
At hindi pa pala tapos guys, may early gift pala siya sa akin. Advanced birthday gift. Birthday ko kasi next month, binigyan niya ako guys ng Ralph Lauren na shoes. Thank you, Kibler. Umuwi na pala yung bisita ko guys at saka iniwanan niya ako nitong handbook. Ayan, mga print out lang ito guys. Ito yung mga istadihan ko na sa DMV. Ito daw yung mga lalabas. Diyos ko, ang dami naman ito. Lalabas daw ito guys sa exam. Ay, ang dami nito. Parang ngayon parang naisip ko. Sabi ko nga, it takes me like 2 to 3 months I think to study that one, dear. Because there's a lot of this.
There's a lot there.
Ay, grabe. Magsasalad ka, darling. Magsasalad lang si Jan for dinner. Hindi pa kami nakapag-dinner kasi gabi nga ang chikahan namin. Yung kasama namin. Century tuna na lang ako. I'm gonna have century tuna. Don't confuse with ano.
Oh, I have the century tuna right here.
Don't confuse with the cartoon. Ay, oo nga.
Smell that. Didn't
Ay,
it? Yeah, it's delicious.
Same. Well, let me check.
It's not. It's good. It's pate.
Look.
Oh.
Wow.
Midnight. Here, kitty.
Parang biplo pala ito, dear.
Kitty, midnight. Here.
Biplo. Fish din ata siya. Is it fish there? Pate?
Well, it says fish on the label, but it's got chicken.
Chicken and fish.
Midnight. Come here, baby.
Ayan. Century tuna lang ako. Thank you, Kibler. At least hindi na nagluto si Jan. Maglilinis lang ako ng bakura natin dahil may darating tayo na bisita ngayon sa may star fruits natin. Tanggalin ko lang yung mga nahulog na mga bunga. Kasi pag natumba nila ito guys, no? Mamilit talaga ito sa kanilang sapatos. Kaya tatanggalin ko siya. Yan pa. Sobrang dami pa dito guys, oh. Hindi na sila mahihirapan mamaya sa pag-harvest nito. Dahil nasa ilalim lang yung mga bunga. Ayan, wawalisan ko lang yung mga lata. Kasi, naku, pag naka-white shoes sila, mahirap tong tanggalin, makamansa ito eh. Lata na kasi. Alam nyo guys, sobrang swerte ko talaga kay Jan at nagpapasalamat ako na nagkaroon ako ng asawa na masipag, mabait, and very supportive. Sa totoo lang nung sinabi ko sa kanya na may mga kaibigan akong pupunta dito, hindi siya nagdalawang isip, no? Sinabi ko kasi sa kanya na may kababayan ako na dadalaw sa akin dito sa bahay. Alam niyo, ang sagot niya kaagad, oh, of course. Gusto ko silang makilala. Pero English yun guys, ha? Kaya ayun, todo na naman ang effort niya ngayon na, tignan niyo sa kusina, busy sa pagluluto. Hindi lang basta pagluluto ha, gusto niya talaga na maiparamdam sa kanila na welcome sila dito. Nakakatuwa, no? Kasi kahit hindi siya Filipino, ginagawa niya lahat para maintindihan at ma-appreciate ang kultura ko. Kaya super thankful talaga ako. Ang swerte ko talaga kay Jan. Tapos isa pa, kung ano yung i-request ko na ipaluto kay Jan, yung mga pagkaing Pinoy, talagang okay lang sa kanya. Okra, talong. Alam niyo sa okra, hindi na masyadong kumakain si Jan. Pero nung sinabi ko na, paborito ko yan, niluluto niya. No? Ganyan siya ka-supportive sa akin, guys. No? Kaya super thankful talaga ako. Delicious. Ang gagawin sana ni Jan dito sa cake, guys, ile-layer niya sana ito tapos lagyan niya ng icing. Pero sabi ko, baka more than 15 tayo ngayon, baka hindi magkasya. So, ang gagawin na lang natin, 2 cake na lang ang gagawin ni Jan. Ayan, sarap ng chocolate cake. Ito yung in demand sa Jan kapag may nandito yung boss niya, ito yung palaging pinapaluto sa kanya. Kaya magugustuhan talaga yan ng mga bisita natin. Perfect! Tanggalin ko na to. Naglagay kami ng towel dito, guys, because of our cat. Kasi, minsan, ini-scratch niya yung furniture, kaya nilalagyan namin ng towel. Oh, perfect! Diba? Tapos dito yung mga food, doon kakain. Oh, so, maliit lang kasi ang bahay ni Johannes and John. But anyway, it's okay kung maliit lang ang bahay ni Johannes and John. We are celebrating 3.2 million followers today. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal, suporta. At bilang pasasalamat, ayan, may konting handa po tayo ngayon. Chocolate cake and pork ribs. Yan po yung handa natin. I-deep fry yan ni Jan mamaya. Papakuluan niya muna. And of course, may okra din tayo dito. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal at suporta kay Johannes and Jan. So sad to say, guys, na-cancel yung party natin ngayon. Ito na po yung naluto ni Jan. Kuha lang akong ano, guys, limonsito. Masasayang tong talong at saka ano, kasi pag next week ito, wala na ito eh. Bibili na lang tayo ng bago. Ayan, oh. Crunchy pa naman ito. Yan. At sa nagtataka pala bakit hindi natuloy yung party natin today, isa kasi sa mga kaibigan namin, guys, ay nagkasakit kasi siya at sabi niya baka daw mahawaan niya daw kami. Kaya nakapag-decide na lang kami na next week na lang yung get together namin. Pero magkikita din kami actually nung iba naming friends Wednesday kasi magja-Jollibee kami sa Pembroke Pines. So abangan nyo kami dyan sa mga kababayan natin dyan na mga crew dyan sa Jollibee Pembroke Pines. Kita-kits tayo sa Wednesday. Lunchtime na, guys, so nagpaluto lang muna ako kay Jan ng 2 hiwa ng pork rib. At habang hinihintay ko yun, nagpe-prepare din ako ng cheque dito kasi magbabayad na naman tayo ng kuryente. Dumating na naman ang pinakatakutan natin every month. Ang bills. Kain tayo mga day! Gawin nyo to, guys. Pork ribs, papakuluan, tapos crispy fry, tapos egg. Yun lang. Simple ingredients lang siya. Perfect lunch. With toyo mansi and sili. At eto na pala yung the rest, guys. Niluto na lang pala ni Jan lahat. Tapos sabi niya, hindi naman namin ito mauubos. I-freeze na lang daw niya ito. Pagkatapos, pag may bisita daw kami, pwede naman namin ito, guys, na i-air fry or ilagay sa oven para ma-back to life siya ba? Ma-crispy ulit siya. Grabe, nakatatlo na ako na ganito, guys. Sobrang sarap niya talaga, as in. Hindi nakakasawa kahit everyday mo kainin. Naku, mukhang hindi ito aabot next week. Magluto na lang ulit. Hi everyone! For the second part of our vlog today, since we don't have dumpster, we're going to have question and answer portion. It's Miss Universe. Yes. Top 20 most common question for Filipino-American couple. Okay?
Alright.
This is for the benefit of our new followers. We might have answered some of the questions in the past. And we're road to 200,000 on YouTube, so a lot of them, they don't know our story. The first question is, how did you two meet? Paano nga ba kami nagkakilala ni Jan? Actually, nagkakilala kami July 2018. You know, I remember when we first met. That's also the first week that I'm starting with Optum. If you're familiar with eHarmony, that's where we met, and I signed up for that because if I don't sign up, I don't see John's face and I cannot read his response to me. But one of my friends there that I met the other day, she said that if you don't have money to subscribe for eHarmony, the American, the other, like for example, John, can pay it for me. That's what they say. So you pay for my account, something like that, because you create an account but you know, it's a little bit expensive, especially if it's not on sale, but it's really, you can find the right guy if you're looking for.
Well, you find more serious people on a platform that charges money.
Because online kasi there is very, like, there's a lot of scammers like that. It's better if you subscribe.
Yeah, it's more, people are more accountable.
So that's where
you do a questionnaire and all that stuff.
So that's where we met, guys, online, eHarmony. Hanapin nyo na yan, i-download nyo na. Okay, second question. Who said I love you first?
He did.
Oh, yes. Actually, yes, malandi talaga ako. Oo. Naalala mo pala yun, dear? I think in the first few days, I already said I love you to John. I know already. Sometimes kasi when you talk to a person...
Maybe in the second chat.
Yeah. Sometimes when you, parang it's love at first sight. Parang ganun, dear, no? Love at first sight. Parang ganun, guys, ang naramdaman ko kay John. No. So, okay. Tapos na tayo dyan. Who was your first, what was your first impression with each other? What was your, okay, ako, dear, first impression of John is he's strict because sometimes when we talk, he's not smiling, di ba? Na-notice nyo rin yan, marami akong mga nababasa na ganyan. And then, what else? Yun, serious, strict, yun, first professional.
Straightforward.
Straightforward. What's your impression to me?
Oh, I liked you. You're cute.
Same with you. What else? What about the personality ba? Am I straight? Am I this and that?
Good personality.
Okay, dear. This is $1 million question.
A little...
In your mind, dear. Okay, this is honest. I never asked you this before. Did you ever think that, oh, maybe this guy will marry me because of money? Did you ever think of that?
Maybe, but it wasn't a big factor because I was willing to give anyway.
Yes, remember the first time you gave me the Wi-Fi 1,000 for the Wi-Fi. What do you call that, dear? Wi-Fi that you bring anywhere, pocket Wi-Fi.
Pocket Wi-Fi.
That's the first time because you know we need communication.
Stay in touch.
Stay in touch, and that time yung mga Globe, mga Smart,
we
wala
talked
almost every day.
Almost every day.
Unless there's no signal.
Yeah, sometimes stuff would happen.
Actually, guys, totoo yung sinabi niya. Actually, yan talaga ang first impression kasi may friend, John kasi has a friend na hinututan ng Philippine. Ano ba? Tom. Your friend.
Anna?
There's a Philippine. No, Tom. Your friend.
Tom.
There's a Filipino guy. He bring here the Filipino guy and then he left.
Yeah, the guy.
Oo, ginamit siya. Kaya minsan sinasabihan siya na be careful. Be careful.
Oh, everybody's saying be careful.
Be careful. Mga boss ni John, mga ganito ganyan. Sabihan na be careful of meeting Johannes in the Philippines. Mga ganyan ba? Pero sa akin wala naman yan. Hindi ako nasaktan or what sa mga sinasabi ng mga best friend ni John, mga friend ni John. Kasi lahat naman tayo may pagdududa.
If there was loss of communication for any amount of time, it would have been...
Yeah, 1 week, 1 month.
It would have stopped.
Yes.
I would have moved on.
Yes, exactly. Pero everyday talaga kami nagko-communicate ni Jan. That's very important, communication talaga. Okay, next tayo, dear. Kasi baka umabot ng 1 hour ito. What's the biggest cultural difference you've noticed? Oh, ikaw na lang, dear. Biggest cultural...
Rice is life.
Oh, rice. Tama talaga. When I came here, walang rice si Jan. No, when I came here, you don't have rice.
No, I don't eat rice.
Hindi nagkakain si Jan. Ako talagang pan-influence sa kay Jan, guys. Oo. Simula.
When I was a kid, I ate minute rice.
Dear, for 5 years that we are together, how many sacks of rice did you order?
More than we can count.
Yes, exactly. So yun yung cultural differences namin. Rice.
And I have the proof.
Aha. Proof. Okay, next question tayo, dear. Na-try mo na ba ang okay. Dito na lang ako sa English, guys, kasi may translator din ito. Have you tried each other's traditional food? Ito na.
Every day.
Everyday talaga. No, what's the worst that you have tried for cultural?
Oh, the dried fish is
diba?
horrible. That's worse
Ayaw
than
ni Jan.
dinuguan.
Huh? You like dinuguan, right?
Yeah, dinuguan is better than dried fish. Dried
yes.
fish is. There's some dried fish that are edible, but most of them,
No, see?
the neighbors call the police when it's cooked.
No, dear, but really, there's a specific dried fish that you don't like, but there are some dried fish that you like, right?
Yeah, but I wouldn't go out of my way to go find them.
Right, exactly, like the one you dip with.
I mean, I like anchovies, but I don't like dried fish.
Yeah, yun ang ano ni Jan.
I like sardines, but I don't care for dried fish. So the dried fish is way too fishy.
Ako naman, dear, I think the chicken piccata. And then what else? The steak. Kasi, well, ako nakakatikim naman ako ng steak because steak, Philippines, marami din ang mga steak, diba? But it's very expensive. But when I come here, parang almost every day, that's why I got gout. Because of the steak. Almost every day.
I think it
when
was
I
from
come
drinking
here,
iced tea.
Maybe. No, when I was here, almost every day you're cooking steak. Almost every day. First year.
I love beef.
Yeah.
Beef is
first
the best.
year. Ngayon, bawal na ako sa beef.
Beef is very healthy for you.
Beef is life for John, me. No. So, yun. Mga meat, ganyan. So, yun yung mga traditional food. Was it hard to introduce your partner to your family? Okay, I'll start here.
No.
Was it hard?
No.
Hindi siya, guys.
Well,
because actually, when I was still in the
long
Philippines,
distance.
John already met my family through cell phone, right? He was able to meet my lola, my lolo, buhay pa sila, but now they passed. And my papa, actually hindi na nakita ni John yung ano ko. But the rest, mga hipag ko, my brother, my sister, my brother, my mga sister-in-law, ayan, na-meet na ni John and they love them. Even my mga ninang, mga godmother, mama Indat, daddy Umi, mga relatives, they love John. In case na, sa akin naman, sa kay John, at first, they were not that really comfortable with me. Because of course, they didn't say me at first. But the parents of John, Mama Ingrid and Daddy John, they love me. They were on the phone like that, but I wasn't. Hindi ko na sila nakita. They passed during the pandemic. No, nung na-petition ako ni Jan dito, wala na sila. Pumanaw na sila.
Oh yeah, that's what interrupted everything.
But I was able to meet the biological kasi separated yung parents ni Jan eh. But I was able to meet the biological mother of Jan, pero may dementia na kasi siya, so hindi niya rin ako maalala. So yun, wala namang masyadong issue. No issue, no drama with the family whatsoever. Next, what language do you speak at home?
Hindi ko alam.
English. Yes, of course English, but of course I teach John some Tagalog, but very little lang.
Yeah, it's hard to remember. You can't remember the English words. How am I going to do Tagalog?
Yes, but sometimes when we have friends here, do you feel embarrassed? Do you feel they're left behind, or if we have friends here talking
because
Tagalog?
there's so many cultures in this country. You just don't know what people are saying.
Right, exactly.
You got Spanish. You get different countries that have their own dialect. So they have Italian working at one place. There's people speaking Italian, Portuguese, Spanish. It's just the way it is.
Right, but a lot of people, they say that it's not appropriate when there's American and then you're talking. Pero nasanay na kasi si Jan eh. Jan get used to it when I have friends in here, we're talking, but we're not talking behind Jan's back.
Yeah, there's nothing. What am I supposed to do?
Right, exactly. Have you had any funny misunderstandings because of culture of language?
Probably.
I think the dried fish cooking inside the house. Yes. Oh, sometimes kasi why is John mad if I'm cooking inside the house? It's because it's very stinky.
Yeah, don't
for example,
do that.
And then John wants me to cook outside, no? And so I think yun lang naman. Wala naman kaming mga funny misunderstanding, cultural language or something. Language, I think. Language barrier. Sometimes he's talking about something that I didn't understand.
The comprehension is not happening.
So sometimes that's funny also. when sometimes John is saying about something and I'm doing differently.
Or if I'm asking Papa for moringa, he doesn't know what I'm saying.
Parang ganon. So yun yung mga simple ano lang siya guys.
So what's the name of moringa?
Malunggay.
Malunggay.
Okay, next question. How do you celebrate holidays differently? Si Jan kasi is not celebrate. Hindi kasi siya ganun eh. May mga tao talaga, I don't know if that's American thing or, but no, it's not American thing. That you don't celebrate. For example, Christmas, you don't really celebrate.
No, it's like a thing in the past.
Thanksgiving, like that. Birthday. Kung hindi ko pa yayain si Jan na, dear, we have to celebrate for birthday. Hindi talaga yan siya. Because birthday is just a number, age is just a number, la la la. No, ganyan si John. He's that type of person like that.
It ends up being work.
Work, siya din naman ang nagluluto.
It's my birthday. I get to cook. Yay!
Si John ang magluluto. Birthday niya, your birthday, you cook. My birthday, you cook.
Yeah, it's your birthday. I
Okay,
get
let's
to
go.
cook.
Let's go to the restaurant. Okay, next question. What one Filipino or American habit you've learned from your partner? What one, habit that you learned from me? I don't know,
cooking rice.
Cooking rice. I don't know what habit. Like that. Oh, like that. I can't think of a habit that I learned from you, dear. I don't know.
They always say wash the rice. I've never washed the rice. I just cook the rice.
I learned some. I don't know if it's American thing also, huh? They don't wash the rice because rice is already clean. No, iyatak-yatakan na nila papang pag magbulad na sila ka ng humay, iyatak-yatakan and then ipagaling, tas daghang mga balas-balas.
It's not that dirty.
Tapos sabi ni Jan, no, it's already clean. American rice is clean. Yun pala ang ano namin, habit na na-learn yung
They asked one of the famous chefs on one of the Food Network things. If you wash the rice, no, I don't wash rice.
Ganon sila guys. Have you ever experienced judgment or criticism as an interracial couple? Not directly.
No, not
directly. Not that, like in front of us that, oh, you're gay. No, walang ganon. Never. But we don't know behind our back. But no, not, even my family, John's family, no. Walang ganon. Even John's friends, walang ganon na criticism. How do you deal with long distance? Okay, how did we deal with long distance?
We just talk every day.
Communication is the key talaga. If you want your relationship to last longer, for example, during pandemic, diba, we were separated for a year, more than a year, no? No, more than a year. So, we couldn't do anything. No, we couldn't, Jen couldn't bring me here as soon as possible, no, because of the pandemic. But, we just talk and talk every day. No, respect with each other, trust with each other, that's very important, and communication. Yun. What was the one thing you love most about your partner's culture? I don't know. Partner's culture. The food, I think. Because
I think that's
some of the food.
I think it's on both sides.
Both sides. Yeah, because some of the food, for example, yung mga, especially mga dessert. Because I haven't been able to buy that much. Sometimes it's very expensive. Also the food. So dito ko lang na-try sa US yung mga iba't ibang klase ng food. So that's it. I think food. What's your favorite memory together so far? I think cruising. Yeah, because we get to different places and then experience their different cultures. And then it's two of us only.
I would say our meeting in the airport.
Favorite memory together. So meeting at the airport. And then you kiss me here, and then the guard look at us.
You saw that, I did.
And then I said, oh, the guard is looking at us.
Run.
Favorite memory together? Only one ba, dear? I think favorite memory together is when we were in the hotel, one of the hotel in Davao. No, not what you're thinking.
It wasn't Davao, it was Manila, no?
No, in Davao.
Was it Davao?
Yeah, there was a lot of happening there. We went out, they didn't let us bring our key.
Oh.
Okay, number one. Number two, we rode in the tricycle. First time you ride the tricycle, and then there's no gasoline. Remember that?
But
naubusan ng gasoline.
Nobody's telling me what's going on.
Nagtulak kami.
Or I would
Yun ang favorite.
they only
Hindi
put
ko.
like 10 pesos in the tank. I would have
Yun ang ano.
I would have hooked the guy up and filled the tank. Full
Oo.
tank. Nobody's telling me what's going on, and I'm dead exhausted because I've
Exhausted.
already been flying, and he wants to go run around the country
Oo, ganon
with
si
me in
John.
tow.
How do you settle arguments or disagreements? How do you settle disagreement or argument?
I don't know. We just get over it.
How do you know if I'm mad?
You got that look on your face,
And
or
then,
you're singing. I don't know.
humming.
Humming. Yeah.
Ganun ako guys. Kapag naiinis ako or nagagalit ako, hindi na ako nagkakausap sa kanya. Parang hindi, ayoko na palakihin ang issue ba. Pero after a moment, after a few minutes, few hours,
That's it.
we're back. Parang walang nangyari. Nothing happened.
Right.
So ganun lang naman talaga guys. Sa buhay mag-asawa, it's not perfect eh. You get to, sometimes there's understanding, ganyan. But you don't want to make it longer after a day, 2 days, because that's the different story. So if you have misunderstanding or if you have disagreements, you fix it before you sleep. That's what they say.
That's what you do.
Do you plan to live in the Philippines or US or both?
Both.
Both. Nasabi ko na ito because here in the US kasi healthcare wise, you have everything here eh. In the Philippines, they have everything then there, but it's very expensive or limited. It's only in the city, no? And then, I'm not saying na the doctors here are better, but everywhere around the world, the doctors are the best, but when it comes to money, if you don't have money, no? Diba?
But infrastructure, roads, everything's
Yeah, mga
better.
road, diba? Better. And then, opportunity. Opportunity, what if there's no social media in the future? Diba? So, I really need to work. Diba? So, yun. Mas pipili namin. Pero, pag mag-retire na kasi si John, we're planning to like 6 months. 6 months here, 6 months in the Philippines. Parang ganun yung travel namin ni John.
But in reality, that's too much.
But it's too much, no? What about our cats? No?
Yeah.
Kapag mayaman,
Obligation.
if we're millionaire, we can bring our cats. Okay, next question. What do your families think about your relationship? Ako naman nothing really. Parang they don't tell me like, oh, Johannes, what will happen if you married? No, nothing like that. If you marry Jan, what will happen? This and that. Wala. We don't have that kind of talk. I don't know with John and his family.
No, it was only in the beginning.
In the beginning
They
na.
said, "Oh, you're crazy,"
Oo.
because everybody's scared.
Oh, you scared na sila guys na why would you go to the Philippines? Why would you not find American or other people?
Be careful.
Be careful. Be going to the Philippines. No? But sabi ni Jen kasi
It's very weird here too.
But you told him right there, anywhere in the world. But how do I know Johannes if I don't meet him?
Right.
Diba? So yun. What advice would you give to other international or cross-cultural couple? Just be true to yourself. No?
Yeah.
Just be true to yourself, and then if you don't
You have to be understanding.
respectful,
It can be tough.
yeah, and then don't pretend that you like even if you don't like.
Mhm.
Right there. So you have to be honest. For example, let's just put it this way: when Jen is cooking, sometimes I say I like it, sometimes I say I don't like it. Because if I say I like it, which I don't like it, then Jen would cook it again, and I don't like it. No, so you have to be honest with each other. So yun. What are the relationship goals in the next 5 years? For me, more travels. Next 5 years, of course, hopefully Jan will retire in the next few years.
Yes.
Because I don't want Jan working 2 jobs because this is another job for Jan, just like right now. I forced Jan to do this vlog.
Oh, it's just like being at work without being at work.
Without pay. No, what I'm saying is, if Jan is not working anymore, for example, we have to focus on our vlog, right? Or business or whatever. But I don't want Jan to, there's work, and then when he comes home, there's another work because I asked him to go dumpster diving, this and that, and he cannot refuse because I don't know how to drive. But if I know how to drive, I can go dumpster diving alone. It's fine with me. But I'm scared.
Our relationship goals in the next 5 years will be Johannes is going to learn how to drive.
Yes. Hopefully. I'm
Then
scared.
he can do his own thing.
Okay, last question, dear, but I don't understand this. Any relationship myths or stereotypes you want to debunk?
No.
Okay, Tagalog. May mga myth or stereotype ba tungkol sa relasyon nyo na gusto nyong itama? What is that, dear? If we made mistake in the past? What is that?
I'm not sure exactly what they're trying to get there.
Oo.
Myths or debunked, whatever.
Yeah, but tungkol sa relasyon nyo, do you have, like, do you want to correct? I don't think so.
I don't know. Maybe some people think a gay relationship is different than a heterosexual relationship, but when you boil it all down,
It's the same.
it's the same thing. You experience the same type of problems. You go through the same kind of stuff. Nobody's exempt. Nobody's unique. That's a relationship.
Right. So, that's it for now with our question and answer. For today, maraming salamat. We're already 3.2 million followers sa FB page natin. Maraming salamat sa inyong support. And road to 200,000 followers here on YouTube. So, thank you so very much. If they have more questions, you can just comment more questions and we will try to answer that on the next
Trying to
vlog.
answer.
Okay, thank you so much and we love you all.
Thank you, guys.
I love you, dear.
I love you too.
And happy 7th anniversary.
We just celebrated.
We just celebrated 7th anniversary. And we're almost celebrating our 7 year and 1 month. Always counting. Ako talaga mahilig
Always
mag-count.
counting. That monthsary thing. That's a cultural thing.
Yes! Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.